nice would it be if there was a door from the inside of the house that goes to this side of the patio from the kitchen?
There's
no
we could do it.
access to this side from inside.
No, we could do it if there's room for it.
There's room for it. Do you want to go see?
Okay. Now let's close this
Let's
up.
close that. Also?
This is a heavy door.
Also?
I'm gonna have to come back. Or even through the laundry area.
No, because this is
New water heater.
So right here, look at.
Are you thinking to delete the window and do it there?
One window
or
and one door. French doors.
double French doors? Yeah.
French doors right here. Boom. To be able to access the outside.